Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Today we will discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. Contents: structure of endoplasmic reticulum, types: two rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and sarcoplasmic reticulum, and also the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum literally means a little net within the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic means within the cytoplasm, while reticulum means little net. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of flattened sacs and branching tubules cisternae that extends throughout the cytoplasm in plants and animal cells. These sacs and tubules are all interconnected by a single continuous membrane so that the organelle has only one large, highly convoluted and complex arranged lumen, cisternal space. The lumen of the organelle often takes up more than 10% of the total volume of the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum membrane allow molecule to be selectively transferred between the lumen and the cytoplasm, and since it is connected to the double layer linear envelope, it further provides a pipeline between the nucleus and cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum have actually basically rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum, in which we say that ribosomes on the rough surface are present, are rough endoplasmic reticulum, where rough endoplasmic reticulum don't have ribosomes. It is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Proteins that are transported: transport vesicles, Golgi apparatus, cyst phase of the Golgi apparatus, transphase of the Golgi apparatus, and cisternae of Golgi apparatus are all discussed here in the diagram that is elaborated. The basic structure and composition of the endoplasmic reticulum is similar to the plasma membrane, although it is actually an extension of the nuclear membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum is the part of the endomembrane system that divides the cell into functional and structural compartments or organelles. Prokaryotic organisms do not have membranous organelles and thus do not have an endoplasmic reticulum. Types of endoplasmic reticulum: three. First, we'll discuss about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Parts of the endoplasmic reticulums are covered with ribosomes, assemble amino acids into protein based on instructions from the nucleus. The rough appearance under electron microscopy. Rough endoplasmic reticulum manufactures and transports proteins for membranes and secretions. On the ribosome attached to the cytoplasmic surface of the rough endoplasmic, proteins are assembled and released into the lumen. Then they undergo modifications. In leukocytes, a type of white blood cells, RAR, makes antibodies. In the pancreas, rough endoplasmic reticulum produces insulin. The ribosomes on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum inserts the freshly produced proteins directly into the endoplasmic reticulum, which processes them and then passes them on to the Golgi apparatus. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Parts free of ribosomes are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum differ in their appearance. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has function in metabolic processes, include synthesis of lipids, fatty acids, and steroids, and metabolism of carbohydrates, detoxification of drugs and poisons. In the brain, SER produces male and female hormones. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, straightened muscles, which plays a major role in muscle contraction, contains sarcoplasmic reticulum instead of endoplasmic reticulum. It is modified form of ER that wraps itself around each muscle fiber. Clear? Okay. The sarcoplasmic reticulum contains large tubules which release large stores of calcium when the cell depolarizes, and terminal cisternae which collect calcium. Function of ER: Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is associated. Ribosome produces proteins, lysosomal secretory integral membrane proteins, processing of polypeptides, glycosylation, membrane synthesis, SER, lipid synthesis, steroid synthesis, and drug detoxification. Again, the function of RER, synthesis of lysosomal and secretory and integral proteins. Clear. Synthesis of all proteins occur in them. SRP, signal recognition particle. ER membrane has a signal recognition particle capable of identifying the signal sequence at the N terminal of newly synthesized polypeptide coming out of free ribosomes. SRP is not protein specific, it can recognize only polypeptide of 6 to 15 amino acid sequences. Further translation stops now if the protein has to be synthesized in ER lumen unless free ribosome is attached to ER membrane. Newly synthesized protein enters into ER lumen through a pore for further modification. Processing of polypeptides. Nascent proteins processing starts just after its entry into the RER lumen involving following steps: removal of signal sequence by signal transferase, addition of carbohydrates to N-terminal bisaccharide transferase, and established disulfide linkage by protein disulfide isomerase. Glycosylation, the process by which all the proteins produced in membrane bounded organelle become glycoproteins by the addition of carbohydrate to the N-terminal protein, is called glycosylation. Integral, secretory, and lysosomal proteins are all glycosylated. What is the purpose of glycosylation? Function of most of the proteins depend upon the conjugated oligosaccharides, which are identified markers of molecules. Binding of other macromolecules is carbohydrates. They help in folding of proteins to attain specific structures essential for normal functions. Membrane synthesis. Membranes do not arise again and again but mainly originate from pre existing membranes. Polypeptides and lipids are added to simple existing lipids bilayer membrane due to its fluidity. Membrane components move from RER to other membranous components by continuous fusion and budding off of the vesicles. Lipids and proteins are modified by the integral enzymes of these particles organelles. Function of SER is lipid synthesis. Almost all membrane lipids are synthesized in SER. Lipid synthesis starts in SER but accomplished in Golgi complex glycosylation of lipids. Steroid synthesis. SER is also involved in synthesis of steroid hormones as such as adrenaline or non-adrenaline in endocrine glands. Detoxification. Detoxification of harmful drugs, barbiturates, alcohol is carried out in liver cells due to SER. Detoxification of drug is carried out by oxygenase, oxygen transferring enzyme. Cytochrome P50 family is most common, among them having important properties as following: non-substrate specific, catalyze only hydrophobic compounds, converting them into hydrophilic substances which are then easily secreted out of the body. Some types convert harmful substances into less toxic substances. Thank you. Stay motivated. God bless you. Allah Hafiz. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.